It's magnetic. Interesting. Never seen anything like that before.
No, I know there's lots of stuff I haven't seen before. However, that three-piece magnetic parts tray set, well, it showed up in my mailbox yesterday afternoon. Yeah, nice.
Now, after I get these things together, I'm probably going to have to take them apart again. So I'm just sort of indexing these to make sure that I get them back together the same way later. I'm going to be using these for the splices, and because the holes in number 1 are not going to be anywhere close, well, they'd be a little bit close to number 2, but they won't be exactly the same. Okay, I think you get the idea. Now, when I made up this strap clamp a long time ago, I'm sure that I had no idea that probably 30 years down the road I was going to be using it on a giant clock dial. And I think that's about right. Now I can envision my biggest problem being that it's going to want to slip off on me here. So I'm going to have to watch each little corner individually. Okay. I'm just going to basically tighten it here. Once again, I need 3 hands. Okay, put a pin in there so it doesn't back off. Now, I don't think it has to be super tight. Now, how am I going to get over there now? Well, it worked first time around. I thought I was going to have trouble with it coming off the corners. I haven't used this for, oh man, 25 years maybe? I've been all the way around twice now. I think I pretty well got it. Important thing is that I've got it this way, so that it's flush right here. And I think I'm pretty good, maybe within a 32nd or less, 64th of an inch of being right on every single joint. But you know, I was thinking when I was editing upstairs just a few minutes ago, I should be able to just go ahead and glue this up. Because if I have to adjust the size, I should be able to cut it off while it's all together. But there's another reason. I might want to put it into perfectly round and cut off these corners, because I am going to be making up a jig so that I can trim each tooth individually, and I can use that same jig to make it round on the outside, even if it's maybe taken in an inch all the way around. And that way it'll be perfectly round on the outside as well as the inside. At least that's the plan. So I could go ahead and I could glue up each one of these joints here. I'm just going to use ordinary cheap carpenter's glue. And I'm going to glue them all up except one joint. One joint is not going to be glued up. And you're going to see why. Maybe tomorrow, if things go well. In the meantime, yeah, I don't see any reason why I can't glue these up right now.